So we're standing at the Blatchford Energy Centre. This is a geothermal energy system that's going to provide energy and power to stage 1 of construction here at the Blatchford redevelopment. We've drilled 570 holes, 150 meters deep. It's a continuous loop system, roughly 80 kilometers of vertical drilling.
The building itself is interesting and unique to me. I could confidently say that this is one of the most beautiful buildings, processing buildings that I've ever seen in my life. The fact that this is the first of its kind for Chandos Construction, and really I believe it's for the industry in this market, has both its challenges and opportunities. Being there for each other, understanding what this is and what this does for our future communities was a great, interesting factor.
We approached them probably just about a year ago about getting our CCAN remote power solution on here in place of a typical diesel generator, which just runs 24/7. Basically, it's really simple. You're using energy from the sun to power the site. But when there's not enough sun or too much load, then there's a backup diesel generator that comes on and provides power instead.
This thing has been self-sufficient and has really sustained our site. All of our site trailers, including our sub-trades, that goes from power, lights, microwaves, lunch trailers, the whole 9 yards is being fueled off this solar power generator.
In between January and the end of June, we were able to save a little over 6,600 liters of diesel on site. We managed to offset 3.5 tons of CO2 with the system, and that translates into 0.8 acres of forest.
The fact that I show up on site and I see this full array of solar panels being utilized to reduce our carbon footprint on a site, a construction site, is a big deal. We are ingrained with looking at sustainable ways, introducing sustainable ways, and entertaining sustainable ways in our everyday life.
So as a B Corp, one of the taglines is business as a force for good. And so we can look at how doing a project like this or some of our other work, diverting waste, how that is not only good for the environment but also good for business. And when people like Brian, who's been working on this job, and he sees the possibility of using solar panels, he's way more likely not only to want to use a setup like this on another job site, but to speak to our other superintendents and speak about how amazing this was. And when you think about what Blatchford is meant to do from a sustainability standpoint, it's just, when you can put all those things together, it's just a win for everyone. It's a win for client, it's a win for us. This is a great story to be able to tell at the end of a project.